So hello year 3. Today we're going to do for science ways of classifying materials. Materials can be classified into different groups according to their properties. So when we classify, we put them into different groups. We can observe or test these materials. We can look at them or we can test them, and then we can choose how to group them. We can also use a key to help us decide how to classify materials, and we've done this in class and in our exam. And so today we're going to practice with the items that we have in our house. We're going to classify some of the materials. After we've decided how to classify them, we can use tables to help us show the different groups. The title of the table is the property that you're classifying the items by. Now here we have magnetic and non-magnetic, and we have transparent and opaque. So these are two different classifications, but you can see all the items that are here are also down here. We can classify the same items using different properties. Here we have some materials. We've got an iron ladle, rubber gloves, a plastic box, a glass photo frame, a cotton shirt, drawing paper, and a ceramic bowl. Now, those of you that have already watched the video may already know what's underneath these question marks. How have we classified them? Can we have hands up if anyone can guess what are the two properties that are underneath the question marks? Yusuf. Yusuf?
Hello.
Oh, hello. What are the two properties underneath these two question marks? How do you think we've classified them?
Flexible and inflexible.
You think it's flexible and inflexible? Let's have a look.
Yes.
Okay, flexible and inflexible. Very good, Yusuf. Well done, thank you. Different materials have these different properties. We have shiny and dull, strong and weak, flexible and inflexible, transparent and opaque, soft, hard, absorbent, waterproof, and magnetic and non-magnetic. So what we can do is we can choose whichever set we want to do to classify them with. What we can also do is we can also use a key to help us classify materials. Now let's have hands up who can hear me clearly and wants to do the first one of these. Jada. So let's start with the first material. Let's start with a cotton towel. Jada, is the cotton shiny?
No.
No, good. So we take it down to no. Is the cotton towel absorbent?
Yes.
Yes, good. So we take it down to group R. Thank you. Okay. And next one was Muhammad. Hello, Muhammad.
Oh.
So can we do the next one, please, Muhammad? The iron pot.
Iron pot?
Is the iron pot shiny?
Yes.
Yes. Good. So we take it down to yes side. Is the iron pot magnetic?
Yes.
Yes. Excellent. Thank you, Muhammad. So we take it to group B.
Yes.
Yay. And the next one we're going to do is Yusuf.
Hello.
Hello. So shall we go on this next one? We have a copper pipe. Yusuf?
Yes.
Copper pipe shiny?
Yes.
Yes. And is the copper pipe magnetic?
No.
No. Great. So it goes down into group Q. Thank you, Yusuf. And the next one, let's try Lily.
Hi.
Hi. Lily, is the rubber hose shiny?
No.
No. So we take it down to no. And is the rubber hose absorbent?
No.
No. Excellent. Well done, Lily. What we've done is we've now put all of our items into different groupings. So we could be using group P as magnetic and group Q as non-magnetic. Group R we could use as absorbent, and then group S we could use as non-absorbent. So this is the way that we can start grouping our objects. Let's have a look at the next one. Now, do we all have our own things ready to classify? We're going to classify them using these different ones. We need to choose one set. Oops. So what we have is we're going to be starting to group our objects. Now, I have a plastic water bottle. I have some plastic tape as well, plastic tape. I have a playing card, which is made from paper. I have a nice coffee one. And I have a ceramic mug. I have the Quran, which is a leather covering. So this is my fabric, it's leather. I have a glass bowl. So let's see, can we have hands up, please? Jada. Hello, Jada.
Hi.
Hi, sweetie. Now, what different things do you have to classify for us?
A water bottle, a cloth
What kind of cloth? Is it a kitchen one?
in the kitchen,
Okay, so a kitchen cloth.
and my revision pack is paper.
Oh, good.
I have my closet, which is made out of wood, a glass mirror, my teddy bear.
And one more thing. What about earrings? What, are you wearing any earrings now?
Yeah,
What are they? Are they gold earrings or silver earrings?
gold.
Gold earrings. Excellent. Okay, Jetta. So let's classify them by flexible and inflexible. Okay. So on one side, we would put flexible, and on the other side, we would put inflexible. So Jetta, the plastic water bottle, is it flexible?
Plastic water bottle it's inflexible.
So it's a hard plastic? Very,
Yes.
okay. Now tell me about the kitchen cloth, Jetta. Is the kitchen cloth flexible or inflexible?
Flexible.
Good, thank you. And the revision pack, the paper, are the papers flexible or inflexible?
Flexible.
Good, thank you. And then your closet, your wood closet, is it flexible or inflexible?
Not flexible, or else if it's flexible, it won't be strong.
Yes, good, very good. What about the glass mirror, honey? Flexible or inflexible?
No, it's not flexible.
Good, so it's inflexible. What about your t-shirt, Jetta? Is it flexible? Can it move?
Flexible. Because
Flexible.
if I'm wearing not flexible t-shirt, I'm gonna walk like this.
Like your robots.
Yeah.
And let's have a look at the teddy bear. Flexible or inflexible?
Flexible, or else I won't be able to hug him.
Exactly. And the last one, your gold earrings. Are they flexible or inflexible?
Obviously, they're inflexible because they're gold.
Yes, exactly. Thank you, Jada. This is perfect. So we can see how we can use our items to group them under specific things. Now, who wants to go next? Let's have a next person. Hands up, guys. Lily, do you have some things to share with us?
I have 10 things.
10 things. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. Let me get a new slide for you, okay? And let's delete all of Jada's ones. So we're going to also choose different things to choose to classify with as well. So Lily, what do you have, please?
I have a silver ring. I have a glass cup. I have some magnets. I have a piece of wood. A plastic cup. I have a plastic bag.
Okay.
I have one of my shoes. Paper.
Where's the paper coming from? Is it just loose paper or is it inside a book?
It's from like a notebook.
A notebook. Look good. Let's write notebook instead. It sounds nicer.
I have fabric.
Okay. What kind of fabric is it? Is it a t-shirt? Is it some pants? Is it a...
It's like the thing you put on the table.
Oh, tablecloth.
The last thing is my phone.
Phone. Excellent. Now, which properties would you like to choose to classify them?
Strong and weak.
Strong and weak. Okay, so we're going to take strong and weak and put them as the title. So one side is strong and the other side is weak. So let's start to classify them, please, Lily. Let's start with the silver ring. Is the silver ring strong or is it weak?
It's strong.
Strong, very good. Otherwise, it would break, right, if we wore it? What about the glass cup?
It's strong.
Yes, it is strong. We need a lot of force. We need to drop it quite hard for it to break. What about the magnets? Are they strong or weak?
Strong.
Strong. We can't break those. And the piece of wood?
It's strong.
Good. And the plastic cup? Can you break it?
It's strong.
It's also strong. Good. What about the plastic bag? Can we break that easily?
Weak.
It's weak. Yes. What about your shoe?
Strong.
It's strong. Thank you. The notebook? What about
strong?
The notebook is strong? Good. So the next one is tablecloth. Where are we going to classify that? Under strong or weak, Lily?
It's weak.
It's weak. We can break it easily. Can you try to break it a little bit? Can you rip it, or is it quite strong when you try to rip it?
No, it's strong.
It's strong. It looks like it's going to be weak, but actually it's strong. And are you sure the notebook is strong? We can't rip the paper? What about the notebook?
No, it's weak.
Okay, so we're going to change the notebook over.
It's weak.
Good. So now we have 2 in the weak section. And then the last one, your phone. The phone, is that strong? It's strong. Excellent. Thank you. So what I want you guys to do for homework is I want you to do something similar to this in your science copybooks, please. Every one of you is going to be doing this section. And then I want you to send me a screenshot or a photo of which one you chose, okay? So everyone has your 8 items, and then create your own classification. You get to choose which one of the properties you want, okay, guys? Ziad, which properties are you going to choose to classify yours? Are you going to do shiny and dull? Are you going to do strong and weak? Which one would you like to choose for your homework?
Shiny or dull?
Okay, excellent. So you're going to do all of these items, not these ones, your items, and then you're going to make a table like this, okay, to create your classification. Thank you, Ziad. And Ibrahim, what classification properties are you going to use for yours?
Absorbent or waterproof?
Absorbent or waterproof. Excellent. I'm looking forward to that one. Mohammed, can you hear me? Which one of these properties would you like to do the tables?
Shiny or dull?
Excellent. Maria?
Hi.
What properties are you going to classify your objects by?
Okay, I want to choose the same.
You want to choose strong versus weak and are going to try and break your stuff? Huh?
Yes.
Excellent. That sounds really good. And then let's find out from Mariam. Let's see if I can unmute Mariam.
Maybe shiny and dull.
Shiny and dull. I like shiny and dull. Now, so that's all for today, guys. So I'm going to send you through on the WhatsApp group, and I will see you again tomorrow for science. Bye-bye. Thank you, Year 3.